Question 60. The knowledge of half-life can be used to A. Create an element, B. Split an element, C. Dictate an element, D. Irradiate an element. Solution. Half-life is the time it takes half the given amount of a radioactive material to decay. It is a measure of stability of a radioactive material. Shorter half-life, less stable the element. Different elements have different half-life. Hence, can be used to dictate an element. The answer is C. Question 61. Water molecules can be lignite, especially when they are bonded to A. Alkaline earth metals, B. Transition metals, C. Alkaline metals, D. Group 7 elements. Solution. In complex ions, a transition metal forms the central metal surrounded by oppositely charged ions, atoms, or molecules called the lignates or ligands. Example: water molecules in CO H2O6 of 3 valency positive ion. In the diagram, CO is the transition metal while the lignates are oppositely charged. Therefore, the answer is B. Question 62. The noble gas argon is used for A. Steel welding, B. Welding brass, C. Underground welding, D. Electric arc welding. Solution. Argon is used in gas-filled electric bulbs. It checks the splintering of filaments and volatilization of materials from it, which could blacken the bulb. It is too inert to react chemically with the filament. Therefore, it is used for electric arc welding. The answer is D. Question 63. The electronic configuration of 22s valency of 2 positive ion is A. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2, B. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1, C. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, D. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s3, 3p6. Solution. The electronic configuration of elements with atomic number of 22 and a valency electron of +2 ion of the given atom of the element S with 22 atomic number loses 2 electrons to become X with 22 atomic number and a valency of +2 ion. That is, by loss of 2 electrons, it has only 20 electrons which are distributed in the shells and orbitals as shown: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3s2, 4s2. Therefore, the answer is C. Question 64. A side effect of soft water is that A. It gives offensive taste, B. Excess calcium is precipitated, C. It encourages the growth of bacteria, D. It attacks lead content in pipes. Solution. Soft water has the disadvantage of attacking lead pipes to produce poisonous lead compounds. Answer is D. Question 65. Which of the following statement is correct about the periodic table? A. The valency electrons of the element in the same period increase progressively across the period. B. Elements in the same period have the same number of valency electrons. C. Elements in the same period have the same number of electron shells. D. The non-metallic properties of the element tends to decrease across each group. Period. Solution. Valency electron is the electron in the outermost shell of an atom. The number of valency electrons of a given element corresponds to the group number to which the element belongs. Example, the valency electron of sodium is 1 and sodium is in group 1. Valency electrons of boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine are 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, respectively. Thus, the valency electron increases progressively across the period. Question 66. Which of the following types of bonding does not involve the formation of new substance? A. Covalent. B. Metallic. C. Coordinate. D. Electrovalent. Solution. Covalent bonds can produce a new substance. Example, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen are covalently bonded to form water, H2O. Also, ammonia and hydrogen chloride, HCl, establish coordinate or dative bonds to form NH4Cl. Sodium atom establish an electrovalent bond with chlorine atom to form sodium chloride. But the metallic bond, no new substance is formed. It is only an attraction between electron cloud and metal ions. Therefore, the answer is B. Question 67. The shapes of CO2, H2O, and CH4 respectively are A. Bent, linear, and tetrahedral. B. Bent, tetrahedral, and linear. C. Tetrahedral, linear, and bent. D. Linear, bent, and tetrahedral. Solution. The CO2 is sp hybridized molecule with linear shape, although H2O and CH4 are sp3 hybridized molecules with tetrahedral shapes. H2O is not a typical tetrahedral shape. H2O is not a typical tetrahedral shape due to the 2 lone pairs of electrons, which reduces the bond angle as a result of repulsion. Therefore, the answer is D. Question 68. HCl aqueous reacts with 1 molecule of H2O water liquid in a reverse reaction to give H3O ion aqueous plus Cl chlorine ion aqueous. In the reaction above, Cl aqueous is the A. Conjugate base, B. Acid, C. Conjugate acid, D. Base. Solution. A conjugate acid, example HCl, donates a proton, hydrogen of positive valency to become a conjugate base of chlorine of negative valency. Thus, chlorine of negative valency which accepts a proton from hydrogen